Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a scrolling block to your Squarespace Fluid Engine site and how to customize it so it fits your brand and catches the eye. Then you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to display animated scrolling text on any page, but you'll also understand the customization options available so your site stands out and feels uniquely yours. Let's dive straight in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Squarespace and log in. Once you're inside, find your website, the one you want to update, and simply give it a click. This will bring up your dashboard where you can start making changes. Next up, look for the Edit button. This is usually easy to spot, but if you haven't used Fluid Engine before, it's in the top left corner or within your page preview. Click Edit, and you'll be in the page editor, ready to start customizing. Now, let's add a new block. Hover your mouse where you want the feature to appear. Maybe it's your homepage header or a section where you want some extra visual flair. You'll want to pick a spot where it won't be too distracting but still catches the visitor's attention. Click the little plus button to add a block. Scroll through the options until you find scrolling. It might be called something like scrolling text or marquee. Squarespace is always refreshing its naming, so just look for anything related to scrolling motion. Once you've found it, select it. Here's the fun part. You can now grab this block and drag it anywhere on your canvas. The Fluid Engine makes positioning super flexible, so if you want scrolling text at the very top or maybe alongside an image, you're free to place it exactly where you like. Take a moment to experiment. Think of it as arranging furniture in a new room. See where it looks best and adjust your layout as needed. The beauty of Fluid Engine is that it gives you the flexibility to design in a way that truly reflects your brand. When your block is where you want it, click Edit on the content. This is where you'll add your actual message. Maybe you announce a sale, welcome visitors, or promote a news update. You can also add a clickable link, which is fantastic for driving your viewers to a shop page or a newsletter sign-up. Links make your scrolling text not only visually engaging, but also functional, allowing you to drive traffic exactly where you want it. Take your time here and make sure your text is clear, concise, and engaging. Consider using a call to action that resonates with your audience, like shop now or learn more. Keep it straightforward and aligned with your site's goals. Let's move on to the design options, and this is where things get creative. For wave intensity, think about how bold you want your animation. Light waves are gentle, while more intense waves create high energy. The wave intensity you choose can dramatically impact the feel of the scrolling text. Gentle waves might be better for subtle messages, while intense waves are great for more urgent or exciting announcements. Next, you can adjust the text style and size. If you're announcing something important, make it big and bold. For subtler information, tone it down to match the rest of your page. This allows you to maintain consistency in your design while ensuring key messages stand out. You also control the scroll direction and speed. Do you want your text gliding slowly from right to left or moving quickly to grab attention? Consider your audience's reading habits. Sometimes slower is easier to absorb, but a faster scroll can feel more urgent, which is a neat feature when you're promoting time-sensitive offers or events. You can also enable the pause on hover feature. This means if someone places their cursor over the scrolling text, it stops for them to read. This is super handy for accessibility and gives your visitors a moment to focus, especially when you're displaying longer messages or important information. It's a small touch that can make a big difference in user experience. Squarespace also lets you fade the edges, which creates a soft transition effect so your scrolling text isn't harshly cut off at the ends. This smooths out the visual experience and makes your text flow more naturally across the screen. You can set a background color, add a blur effect, and for that extra wow factor, adjust details like stroke, blend mode, and item spacing. Imagine these as final touches, just like picking the right frame for a picture. These options help your scrolling text visually pop or quietly blend in, depending on the mood and style you're aiming for. Whether you want your text to stand out with bold contrast or blend seamlessly with your design, these customization options give you total control. That's all it takes. You've added, customized, and polished a scrolling block in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. Remember, every site is different, so if something doesn't look perfect right away, take a little extra time to adjust. Don't be afraid to test different settings until you get the result that truly fits your vision. Fluid Engine's flexibility allows you to experiment with design, and sometimes making small tweaks can lead to a big improvement. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Leave your questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Squarespace tips. Thanks for watching, and happy building.